It's West Coast swing dancing. It's Lauren this time. She's going to help me show you what we taught for my weekly West Coast swing class here at Nick's nightclub. So thank you for Miss Lauren helping me tonight.
My pleasure.
Okay, something I haven't taught this in a while, so it's bringing it back for the first time this year. How it begins, leaders, is just very basic. At the end of a sugar push, 3 and 4, we're going to go into a right to right, hand hold with your partner, okay? However you wish to do that when you're social dancing or where you're doing this when you're a routine or anything, just make sure you get in a right to right at the end of the sugar, okay? So that's how we got into it, very quickly, very easily. And if I move into a right to right, I'm going to move a little bit over to my follower's right side, so I'm a little bit over my left. Just very simple, okay? From there, on a sugar push, 3 and 4, right to right, I'm going to ask for her left on top, okay? So this move is very quickly. You go right into it. So starting on 1, 2, I'm going to turn her in on 1, 2, turning to her left, 3, and 4. So as you saw, turning her, raising her hand, and turning her to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That was kind of hard to see as far as the angle, so let's go front to back. So again, I'm going to switch hands if you can't see. Ask for her left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I move again off the track to her right, and I got my right hand behind my back, her back, and my left hand up high. That's the key for the next part, because really all you're doing is the next part. So let's go this way just to get into that part. It's an 8 count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now she's coming towards you on 4, and guys are off to her right side. The next part is kind of quick, but it involves a drape and a hand change. So a sugar push, 3 and 4, right to right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there was a lot going on there, obviously you can see. We'll try to do it slow on the 5, 6. 5, 6 is where you drape your arm over your follower's head. 1, 3, 4 here, sugar push, coming in, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now guys, you're going to raise this arm over her head on a 5, 6. As she's starting to turn, the right hand low. So it's a quick snap turn at the end where you go 7 and 8, switching hands low. So drape, bring the hand down, and she snaps into that ending. So it's pretty quick. You want to do a not such a fast song. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's go this way. Front to back. Sugar push. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of hard to see from obviously that view. We'll go this direction. And that's all it was. That's all it was. It's cool. Quick. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So obviously the key to this is the drape. And we'll just emphasize that real quick. Hope you like this, guys. Remember to click the like button. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is where you're the closest. We're going to drape it over her head, right over her head, not too high, but 5, 6, and then switch hands for 7 and 8. So bring it straight down, because that snap turn doesn't require a lot of time. You got to get there. So last time, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You like it?
I love it.
Hey, I didn't pay her to even say that either. She actually liked it. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. As always, we love your support. Remember, if you like this video, we're going to have something new next week for you as well. So remember to click subscribe. It's free. It's a free video every time you see us. Until next time, as always, have a great week. Keep dancing.